Mark, picture this. Every RGA member, whether they're a brand new join or a 10-year veteran, gets the kind of professional marketing support that big companies pay agencies thousands for, but done automatically. In minutes and always on brand? That's Presley, your AI-powered marketing assistant for the entire RGA network. She doesn't just write press releases. She can handle every form of marketing content your members need. Welcome, kits. SEO blog articles, email newsletters, LinkedIn posts, Facebook updates, Google business profile summaries, all drafted in their voice. But with RGA's brand quality behind them, Presley gives your members real, tangible marketing muscle they can use to stay visible, build credibility, and close more sales. Not just collect business cards. It means busy owners get polished content done for them, while they focus on relationships and revenue. For you, it means every new member has a launch plan on day one, and every existing member keeps getting value month after month. The best part? It's automated, consistent, and scales with RGA's growth, freeing your team to build the connections that really drive business. No other networking group is doing this. With Presley, RGA becomes the first network where every member has their own agentic marketer in their corner, 24/7. That's how you keep people renewing, referring, and talking about RGA as the most modern, results-driven network out there. Ready to see for yourself? Call Steve today. Your revenue-generating agent is waiting.